Hello dear traders, let's continue with the Euro USD situation. Firstly, as I mentioned in the previous video, the price noticed this level at 1.1032 and bounced from it. Next, I'd like to note that the price reached the third movement target from our first model. You can see it here. Then we can see that the price broke out the HP level at 1.0864 and didn't reach the main target at 1.0823. So if we were to sell on the breakdown of HP, we would be out to about 0 here. The next thing we could do is to buy on a breakdown of the trend line here, as I have shown in this scenario. At the moment I have no scenarios for this instrument on time frames below weekly. Hourly scenarios are fully worked out. Next, I would like to analyze another symbol. For example, let's take gold. So I start my analysis traditionally with the highest time frame. This is 1 yearly time frame. I see an upward movement and I note it for myself. I also mark a possible resistance level at 270.3. I then move to the quarterly time frame and highlight the expansion model. I also note the HP level of that model here. Next, on the monthly time frame, I notice that price has reversed from the HP level of the model from the beginning of a trend, and I also note levels that could be resistance levels. On the weekly time frame, I have highlighted two models from the beginning of a trend. I also see that the price is in the near of possible levels of support and resistance, and I move on. On the 1 hourly time frame, I notice an interesting situation. I see that there is an early achievement of the first target of the expansion model, which could lead to an upward movement with a target at 2118.1, so I can make a scenario like that. I'd like to explain that these humps indicates possible resistance levels as the scenario progresses. So if I buy here, I can close part of the position here. If I buy here, I can close part of the position here, and so on. On the 1 hourly time frame, I can make an alternative movement scenario in the case of a downward price movement. And that's all for today. Have a good trade.